Don't you worry, but it's time for my favorite segment on this podcast. It's called Truth or Tweeze.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we have the tweezers, please?
Like actual teasers? Right. Didn't sign up for this. This wasn't a part of the brief.
You are entering the Overthink Tank.
Hi. Have you ever tried a beauty product that promised a warm, tingly feeling, but it felt like a fire on your face instead? Yes, that's what beauty is all about. It's so painful, and as Beyonce said, pretty hurts. And that's the topic of today's podcast. Welcome to the Overthink Tank. I'm your host, Surbi Bagga, and joining me today are two really cool people. Hold on to your seats because we have Neha Doodles.
Yay.
Yes, that's her full name. Welcome to the podcast.
Thank you for having me.
And joining Neha Doodles is another doodly little girl. It's Chai Joshi.
Hello. Hi.
Chavi,
Thank you for having me.
so thankful that both of you could make it
That
in
was a
this
long
heat.
Yeah, it was a long ride.
Yeah, I'm so thankful that you came to Ghaziabad all the way. Even though I told you my studio is in Delhi. I do this a lot. Guys, the Overthink Tank, if you don't know, is a podcast where we overthink other people's problems because हमारी problems कम पड़ रही हैं. So we outsource problems and then we overthink it for them.
Love it.
So today is a very important topic, beauty. And are you guys ready to hear the question?
Yes. Super ready.
Right.
I love questions.
It's coming your way. Okay. Hi, the Overthink Tank. How do you manage those moments when you look at yourself in the mirror and start to feel really insecure? Do you have any advice on how I can see myself in a more positive way? So, let's start with you, Neha. How do you feel when you look at yourself in the mirror? Think 16. Think 16-year-old Neha.
But then I had bigger issues because I was big. मतलब मुझे था कि hair is still looking fine. Weight कम हो जाता तो my priorities were that first insecurity should be weight. Second insecurity should be that my skirt की length मेरी मम्मी छोटी नहीं करने दे रही है. बहुत ही लंबा घाघरा पहन के मुझे जाना पड़ता. And my third insecurity was like body hair. में भी specifically the hair that you have on your face. Like your upper lips and I had unibrow. And मुझे पता नहीं था कि आप करवा सकते हो इसको thread. I just thought that some people are born with 2 eyebrows and I am born with a single eyebrow. जैसे मेरी क्लास में बहुत लोगों ने ऐसे वैक्सिंग करानी शुरू कर दी थी 7-8 में, लेकिन वो बताते नहीं थे. तो उनको ऐसा होता था कि नहीं मुझे तो आते ही नहीं है, या मेरी तो फुल ग्रोथ ही इतनी है.
You're so right.
एंड वो फ्लक्चुएटिंग फुल ग्रोथ है. अभी आप बिल्कुल क्लीन हो और 4 दिन बाद ऐसे ये मेरी फुल ग्रोथ है. तो लोग थोड़ा झूठ भी बोलते हैं.
Honestly, did this happen to you that one day you will meet your best friend and she's looking like everybody else and the next day she has her eyebrows done and her upper lips gone and I'm like, who is this model? And you suddenly feel insecure about yourself because you're like, if she can look this way, what's wrong with me? Have you had friends who probably got their hair removed earlier than you?
Like, I remember, I think I was also on the other side where we're in school and like, somebody is like tying their hair, their armpits are showing, they're like, dekh, uske baal dekh.
Oh
And I'm
my
like,
God.
And like, sabke hain.
Okay, I want to ask you something personal. Both of you, on the count of 3, tell me what part of your body hair are you most okay with? Okay? So say arms, legs, pubic, down there. Which are you most comfortable with? I'll
Okay.
ask you. You have to say yes or no. Arms.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Armpits.
Yeah. I have like a bush right now also.
Okay, armpits?
No.
No for me as well. Down there.
Yeah.
No.
I think.
I'm okay either ways actually.
Yeah.
But it's not like
No, you can. It's a personal choice.
Yeah.
It's not about the personal choice. Like, I don't really feel unhygienic, insecure,
Correct.
or anything. It's just that I have phases where I want it to look like a certain way.
Huh, that's true.
Yeah.
Same.
If I want
You want to doodle a little down. Use a razor.
If I want to wear like a swimsuit, then I would want to be.
So it's convenience, right? Like
Yeah.
it's not a body insecurity issue. Okay, legs.
Yeah, fully, bro. Like
Legs, though, I'm so okay with. It's not even funny.
Yeah.
Like I've not shaved in 6 months, and my parlor didi is trying to tell me, "Yeah, full legs करा लो." मैंने कहा नहीं दीदी, full legs तो मैं बिल्कुल नहीं करवाऊंगी because I know वहाँ पे hair growth
commitment.
कम है.
Yeah.
So it just feels like a waste of money for me. What about you?
मुझे पता चला कि मेरे को like 15 days पहले एंजाइटी होनी शुरू हो गई, स्ट्रेस होने लग गया.
That is
मैं
true.
अपने आप को प्रिपेयर
Yeah.
कर रही हूँ कि कल बुलाना है आंटी को. तो फिर मुझे रियलाइज हुआ आई कांट लाइक ये
I can't go through this
हाँ.
every day.
महीने के 10 दिन पीएमएस से परेशान रहो, 10 दिन इसके मेंटल टॉर्चर से
2 दिन बचे हैं हमारे पास.
सच्चे मेरे पास अच्छे.
Have you ever gone out to an event and forgotten to remove your underarm hair and you were like, fuck, I'm wearing a sleeveless top? How do you handle those situations? Do you like, what do you do? Do you
I
just
think-
live with it?
I live with it. I don't mind. It's my mom though. She's like, चाबी हाथ ऊपर मत करना, ये मत करना, वो मत करना, तुम्हारे बाल है.
मेट्रो पे ऐसे मत पकड़ के जाना.
हाँ, she's like कि हाँ कितने लंबे बाल हो गए, इसको हटा लो, ये कर लो. मैंने बोला but like why can I not be the trendsetter, bro? Like in the family, because see, I see that in like on Instagram, friends, etc. में कोई ना कोई कुछ कर रहा है. Family में आके मतलब you know things get like a little more like real.
yeah.
और वहाँ पे actual झंड होती है तुम्हारी कि like अरे क्या है, बालू बन गया
His
है.
family is not keeping up with the internet.
Yeah, they're not.
Family is like हमें अभी टाइम लगेगा, अभी
हाँ.
तो हम
Yeah.
मतलब आप होमोफोबिया पे पहुंचे हुए हैं,
हाँ.
मतलब हम होमोफोबिक हैं अभी.
I
अभी
stay,
आप काम कर-
yeah.
तो
I'm so
बाल तो बहुत
humble
दूर
thanks
की
to
बात
my
है.
family.
बाल तो बहुत नीचे लिस्ट के.
But
तो
my
हाँ.
mom is pretty cool. बल्कि वो तो मुझे डिस्करेज करती थी कि अभी नहीं कराते, वैक्सिंग नहीं करानी ये वो. बट जब मैंने उन्हें ये बोला कि मैं लेजर कराने जा रही हूँ, तब उनको हो गया नहीं वैक्सिंग ही करानी चाहिए, ये सब तो नहीं.
वो किसी पार्लर दीदी से सुन के आई होंगी वैक्सीन.
हाँ वो तो रेजर के भी काफी अगेंस्ट है, तो वो जैसे पार्लर दीदी चल रही होती है, बट देन she's never like made me insecure about hair or anything. She's always been like कि
Do what you
ठीक है.
want. Yeah. But also, mums, like, they can tell if you're feeling insecure about your body. Like, I remember I stopped wearing like sleeveless tops when I had like my pits were growing out. I was like, silently, मैंने अपने सारे sleeveless tops पीछे डाल दिए अलमारी के. Nobody knows except my mom. She can tell that, okay, it's time to take her to a parlor now. Without me ever saying that I want to go to a parlor. Because मुझे तो concept ही नहीं पता था कि ये remove भी होते हैं. But your mothers know. And one time, I cried to my mother. I was like, Mom, I need to get my upper lips done. मैं क्लास 11th में थी and I was like, कुछ भी करके मुझे जाना है. आप समझ नहीं रहे हो मेरा कितना मजाक उड़ रहा है स्कूल पे. आप समझ नहीं रहे हो.
कराने नहीं देती थी मेरे को. फिर 10th के बाद, so 10th में 10th तक I was in सोनीपत, उसके बाद दिल्ली आना था. तो मेरी मम्मी पहले मेरे को नहीं जाने देती थी कि आईब्रोज वगैरह बड़े होके कराते हैं या स्कूल खत्म
वो
हो
तो
जाए
गई
तब कराते हैं. तो फिर उसके बाद लेकिन जब 10th खत्म हुआ ना, फिर मैंने बहुत इमोशनल ब्लैकमेल किया कि मैं एक बड़े शहर जा रही हूँ और छोटे शहर की बोलेंगे मेरे को, अगर मैंने आईब्रोज नहीं कराई तो मैं आईब्रोज करा भी ली थी ऐसे बिल्कुल. एंड आई फेल्ट लाइक अ न्यू पर्सन बिकॉज यूनिब्रो मेरी हटके एकदम हो गई थी और पार्लर दीदी ना बिल्कुल ऐसे पतली कर दी थी. इमेजिन लाइक करीना कपूर जैसे वो पतली पतली.
That's also good though.
I just had a flashback of those
I
patli
love-
eyebrows.
Those are like 1980s
That's
full
like
eyebrows.
1980s तो नहीं.
There's a sticker on your
2000s में भी लोग thin eyebrows करा रहे थे and that was such a big trend back then. मतलब 15 मिनट से आप लगे हुए हो eyebrows पे मेरी and I have no say. पहले तो अब now I still know the words. I'm like सिर्फ extras निकालना.
Yeah.
पहले तो बस बैठ
कर
जा.
देना.
हाँ.
पहले you just have to sit there, hold on to your seat tightly and just hope कि कोई कट ना लगे.
Yeah, and also like the hand.
Yeah, I can never do that. मैं जान के ना जब खाली होता था पार्लर तब जाती थी ताकि जो है किसी और दीदी आप प्लीज कर दोगे मुझसे तो नहीं होगा.
अच्छा कोई और खींचता था.
हाँ एक और दीदी
Damn.
खींचती थी और दूसरी वाली करती थी.
Well, that's nice.
Yeah,
That's sweet.
You're a spoiled little brat.
No, but then my pain tolerance is very low. मेरे को ये eyebrows कराने में ना ऊपर eyebrows हो रही है नीचे आंसू बह रहे हैं. तो फिर मैं को और नहीं करा सकते, अब नहीं कराऊं.
Your eyebrows are fucking painful.
Yeah.
But the minute it's done, you're like, oh my god, I didn't know I had this face.
Yeah.
So what's that all about? Like, why does it make such a big difference to your
Yeah.
face? Is it because eyebrows are
नो इट्स जस्ट बेसिकली कि अगर आप किसी चीज को अगर पेंटिंग करते हो या आप पेंट कर रहे हो और उसको स्मच कर देते हो, इट वुड लुक लाइक ठीक है, इट्स अ कलर, मतलब यू डोंट, इट्स नॉट स्टैंडिंग आउट. यू मेक लाइक अ लाइन आर्ट, इट स्टैंड्स आउट. दैट्स द
Yeah.
सेम कांसेप्ट की विजुअली हमें वो बहुत
appealing लगता है.
क्लीनर लगती है, नॉट लाइक हाइजीनिकली बट लाइक विजुअली बहुत क्लीन लगती है,
Correct.
इसलिए बहुत डिफरेंट लगता है.
Guys, after talking about our entire like journeys of growing up and going to the parlor, I'm just curious, don't you think being a woman is unnecessary painful?
I think
मतलब ये heels, corsets and
yeah,
like
yeah. I think
blowjobs
both the genders है तो
Where
दोनों
does it
ही
stop?
like painful तो है ही different context में. It's just intellectually if you wanna go there तो भाई लड़कियों
I
को
always wanna go there.
जान के ऐसी चीजों में फंसाया जाता है which is vanity and like looking good so that we spend our time competing with each other and भाई दिखने में ये so that we don't focus on the real things कि भाई हमको क्यों
like being president.
yeah or probably like just ki why the wage gap and all of that. Let's not focus on that. Let's focus on ki rare beauty का नया blush आया है.
Wage gap भूल सकते हैं.
Not
but
that you
urban
can't do
decay-
both the things. Not that you can't do both the thing. It's just that if you're doing it because of the society and not because you're interested in it, then there's something that's wrong.
Correct. It's almost like you grow up and suddenly you're just like, all right, now my mission is to look desirable. But you could have so many different missions. Your mission could be going to the moon. You can't go to the moon if you have to like get your upper lips done 15 days. 15 दिन में मैं कैसे वापस आऊंगी सर मून से? मेरी तो upper lips हो जाएगी.
Also, the whole concept of कि इस पे ध्यान मत दो, इस पे ध्यान दो. जैसे like I think her name is प्राची, जिसे अभी 10th में जिसने टॉप किया था.
yeah.
तो अब उसके मतलब लाइक अपर लिप्स पे हेयर है तो उस पे ट्रोल किया जा रहा है. अगर बाय चांस वो बहुत ज्यादा ब्यूटी रिलेटेड चीजें कर रही होती और वो फेल हो जाती तो फिर लोग कहते कि देखो आपका ध्यान इसमें. सो व्हाट आर यू बेसिकली आस्किंग women to do? So वो तो I think women just like as a concept only, if we do something then also that's wrong, if we don't do something then also it's wrong.
Yeah, you can't win. As
Yeah,
a
so you
woman.
can never really please anybody if you're trying to do that basically.
Yeah.
What do you think, Chavi? Do you find something that's unnecessarily painful?
I think there's just so many factors to like being a woman that I'm just मैं वही सोच रही हूँ कि कितना कुछ है. Like what do I? There's so many things. Like there's also like just your living experiences of like how you grew up, your relationship with your parents is also enough to determine like what kind of people you will be into in the future. या फिर जैसे तुम like how you've grown up is how you try to also either you really follow that or you become like a rebel.
Yeah.
ये जो भी मतलब सिखाया गया है. So
But rebel में भी मुझे makeup तो लगाना ही पड़ेगा. I can't be a rebel and go makeupless. I have to put lots of kajal.
no, but like oh yeah, that's true. That's very
If I
like
don't put kajal for one day, people are like, "Are you sick? Are you
Yeah.
going through something? What's with that?" मतलब you are just not used to seeing my bare face.
Yeah.
कि अगर मैं bare face आ गई, you'll just assume I'm dying or I'm sick.
the way we grew up also, that transition period was very weird. Like बचपन में हमारा एकदम ट्रेडिशनल टाइप का वैसा सा था कि मतलब नहीं लड़कियां ऐसी होती है. And in the phase like where we're like developing our brains also, we're growing up, we learned that no, whatever you learned
That's
तुम इससे ज्यादा
relearn.
और सोच सकते हो. मतलब you're allowed to have your own thoughts and you're
Yeah.
allowed to think more, which I think puts us in a very like weird position as adults.
I was growing up in a smaller town and my mother had a concern कि तुम ऐसे कपड़े पहन के जाओगे तो लोग देखेंगे. ठीक है. Now that is coming from a intention of trying to protect their daughter, but how it actually came out verbally is that without sleeves मत पहन या फिर like crop top तो चलो out of the question, but like don't wear a skirt. तो अब even though like my mother meant it in a way that was supposed to protect me, but because मैं तो I will तो take it for her word, and मेरे को ये लगा that there's something wrong with my body, right? कि मेरे को ये चीज छुपानी है, and it has been ingrained in my head so deeply that मैं अभी भी मेरे को मतलब विदाउट स्लीव्स पहनते हुए मैं पहन लूं और मैं कॉन्फिडेंट रहूं भी, बट दिमाग में एक हल्का सा एक वो रहता है, like you are doing something that is not you.
The thing is that we're also not told ke what is the, like, where are you coming from when you're asking me to not wear this. I think that's what pisses me off, like मैं क्यों ना पहनूं, आप मेरे को ये बता दो, then I will, like, you know, try to
But
understand.
ये भी तो ना वो क्यों भी समझ नहीं आएगा ना, because we don't have those experiences. मतलब थोड़ा privileged background से अगर आप आ रहे हो, this whole harassment and the whole sexual eve teasing and all of that, आप थोड़े से teenager होके आपको समझ आती हैं ये बातें, आपको पहले नहीं आ रही होती. और the whole point of view that आपको कपड़े नहीं पहनने चाहिए ऐसे, मतलब you're not inviting this some sort of harassment, that this whole propaganda, तो वो चीज़ आपको बड़े होके रियलाइज होते हैं. अगर मुझे लगता है मेरी मम्मी तब बता भी देती कि मैं इसलिए बोल रही हूँ, मुझे वो समझ नहीं आता. So it's not like they're wrong, it's just that you need to like grow up to understand वो वाला चीज़.
And as a 16-year-old, I don't think that you had the right to choose.
Yeah.
Like now that we are like
But I
grown
also
up,
feel
अब है.
But I also feel like the question that you posed about the girl being insecure about the body hair, मुझे लगता है कि the whole thing about feminism and having the right to choose and you can have body hair or not, तुम्हारे ऊपर है. The whole thing comes from a place of awareness कि आपको पता होना चाहिए. Like I was talking earlier, I made a reel about कि बचपन में I used to go to this cousin's house. She was older than me, and she had like the prettiest hands ever. Okay, she
I
had
have
like
really
these
ugly
sleek fingers, and उसके nails ना ऐसे हल्के से उठे हुए थे, जैसे अभी मेरे उठे हुए हैं. तो तब मैं बोलती थी कि अरे दीदी आपके nails तो बहुत ही सुंदर हैं, and she would be like yeah thank you. She had nail extensions all the while, and she never told me कि भाई ये मेरे असली nails नहीं है. Not that I asked her a direct question, but I was a kid. I did not know that this is not real. So I think पहले adults should have that sort of responsibility कि भाई young लोग आपसे influence हो रहे हैं, उनको वो मत दो insecurity. और मुझे हमेशा लगता था भाई मुझसे गंदे बदसूरत हाथ किसी के नहीं है,
क्योंकि मुझसे मिलो
यार. ये see I have these wrinkly things, जैसे जब आप पानी में बहुत देर तक हाथ रखते हो तो आपका किशमिश जैसा हाथ हो जाता है ना. Mine is like 24/7 that.
I love a kishmish hand. Show me.
Yeah, see.
So cute.
So I got so insecure about my hands, and I was always like अरे मेरे हाथ तो सुंदर नहीं है. तो I think it's just that from a younger age, all of these treatments कि अगर आप lip fillers करा रहे हो या and you stand at a place of influence, it's your responsibility to let those people know, people who are getting influenced by you, that even though I look great, but this is something that is not naturally coming to me. So like even like when celebrities and influencers get lip fillers, as long as you're honest about it, do whatever you want with your body यार. मतलब आपको color change करना है, आपको tanning करनी है, आपको fillers कराने, botox कराना है, कुछ कराओ. Just be honest so that teenagers don't feel like they lack something. They should just know भाई हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है कराने के. That could be another thing, but it should always be awareness for the other person to make that choice.
Correct. Like this is not how I naturally look. This is a bunch of treatments. And I was watching this video where like someone was breaking down all the surgeries she's had, and she looks like a regular person.
I think I've seen that.
Yeah, but
the
she's had
woman who's like I want a sugar daddy, that one. Yeah, she's like I'm not pretty, I got this done,
I got this
personal
done.
trainer.
I have like a liposuction here, liposuction here. I'm like, okay, so you've had like 28 surgeries to look naturally beautiful. But these surgeries are also painful. Like it's not easy to like just put a lip filler. You have to think about it. There's a whole process. You have to not show your face to people for a couple of days.
You also have to like maintain it. Like
you have to maintain it. But similarly for like even for waxing, I used to get like rashes.
Yeah, same.
Like redness
Yeah,
across
especially
my
like
body.
on your upper arms.
Yeah.
उस पे से
Dude, there's this thing called, oh my god, I love that I'm throwing this word on my podcast, baal tod.
Dude, don't get me started with baal tod. My
How
God.
annoying is baal tod? And especially for people who constantly remove their hair.
But isn't like बाल तोड़ अगर आप हाथ से खींच दो तो वैक्सिंग से भी होता है?
कैसे भी हो सकता है? You know, one
बाल
day you're
तोड़
sitting
is
and then next
ingrown
day
hair.
you have bal tod.
Bal tod is just infected ingrown hair.
Yeah. In English, it's called folliculitis.
Yes.
Oh my god.
It's bal tod. I think it should be called bal tod globally.
Universally, yeah.
I think so too. Bal tod is it's
It
so
just goes,
cool.
man.
Yeah. It sounds as gross as it looks.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But it hurts, and like just like everything,
So
it's
much.
so painful, and it happens when you remove hair in a wrong way, and it stays for some time.
Yeah.
So I'm thinking all these treatments that like give you value, उसके साथ में एक side effect भी है क्योंकि here you go, smooth underarms, but oh, congratulations on 2 bal tods.
Yeah.
So that
Yeah,
is
because of course that's not natural. अगर आप unnatural अपनी body के साथ छेड़छाड़ करोगे तो कुछ तो गड़बड़ होगी ना.
तो ये मुझे किसी ने बताया क्यों नहीं? That's my issue. Like when my parlor didi is telling me मेरे पास रीका वैक्स है, चॉकलेट वैक्स है, ये वैक्स है, मुझे आपने बाल तोड़ के बारे में क्यों नहीं बताया?
यार अब वो कितनी चीजों के बारे में बताया, बहुत चीजें हो सकती हैं.
No, I'm just like you've made a list of all these treatments. आपने मुझे सब बोल दिया है, आपने मुझे आपके घर में पता है क्या चल रहा है कितना. But tell me about this very important thing.
No, that's
Yeah.
actually true. Like I agree because a bunch of the times where I've been also asked to कि अरे कुछ करा लो. I even like with my hair I understand that it's not like उसका texture जैसा भी है, मेरे को बस बता दो कि मैं क्यों कराऊं.
Guys,
And
पार्लर
if you
दीदी
give
के
me-
हिसाब से जो भी ये सारी चीजें होती हैं वो आप क्योंकि आप रेजर मार के आए थे इसलिए
अरे सर पे रेजर मारा. But हाँ, like if you tell me if you have a good enough reasoning कि अच्छा वैक्स ये है और ये वाली है, आप ये वाली कराओ क्योंकि इसमें ये हो सकता है. एंड गिव मी लाइक अच्छा खुशबू अच्छा आता है, कलर अच्छा है, पेन नहीं होगा.
पेन नहीं होगा तो मेरे को लॉजिक ही नहीं समझ आता. सारी वैक्स में सेम पेन होता है.
सब
व्हाट
pain
इज
होता
दिस
है.
कि आपको चॉकलेट रीका वैक्स में
क्यों
पेन नहीं होगा?
मुझे ये भी बताओ. एंड आई विल बी लाइक ओके कूल, आई एम रेडी टू गिव इट अ शॉट. बट देन यू जस्ट लाइक हवा में ये होगा वो होगा, इसका स्मेल ऐसे सॉफ्ट हो जाएगा, ये हो जाएगा. अरे तो व्हाई कैन आई नॉट एक्सपेक्ट दैट in the basic one also, like if I'm going
Yeah.
through the same kind of pain.
इससे आपका tanning हट जाएगा. That's the last line. I'm like, not everyone's trying to look not tanned. Some people like looking a little tanned.
But we
सबको
live
नहीं
so
हो रहा ना
close to the
गोरा.
equator, man.
Yeah,
What is
but
this
that's
assumption?
basically like एक उन्होंने क्या कहते हैं कन्वेंशनल ब्यूटी स्टैंडर्ड बन रखा है.
Yeah, sucks.
और एवरीबडी इन देयर हेड इज ट्राइंग टू अचीव दैट.
Yeah.
सो लाइक ऑफ कोर्स देयर उनकी सोसाइटल कंडीशनिंग इज
हाँ,
brings
that's
them
true,
to
that's
that
true, that's
point.
true.
That's okay.
Have you
but
ever had it? Like अब मतलब हो गया. Have you ever like said goodbye to a parlor दीदी की? Okay,
yeah,
you know,
when I
I'm
got
done.
laser done, तो मेरे को हुआ ना बस हो गया, अब नहीं जाऊंगी.
मेरा भी
हो गया.
I think the first time I went to like get my wax and all, हो गया, ठीक था, बहुत दर्द हुआ, नहीं अच्छा लगा, करवाने का मन है क्योंकि मैं स्कूल में हूँ. करवाया मैं कॉलेज वाले फेज में आके ना लाइक मैं क्यों करवा रही थी ये, लाइक व्हाट इज द पॉइंट ऑफ दिस. एंड आई वाज गिवन अ रेजर स्कूल वाले टाइम पे जस्ट फॉर लाइक मेरे को मतलब नहीं अच्छा लग रहा. एंड उस टाइम पे एज अ किड गेटिंग वैक्स वाज आल्सो लाइक एन एक्सपेंसिव अफेयर.
Yeah.
So I think it was my father who got me like a razor, and I think you know what, subtle brand integration. I think it was one of like the only few ones उस time पे. मतलब मैं ऐसे बहुत
Was
बड़ी
it
भी नहीं हूँ.
Venus by any chance?
I really think that it was
Oh my
actually
God.
for real, on God.
Venus has been also my first razor. Somehow it just, first of all, you get it everywhere.
Wasn't
It's-
your first razor like a man's razor?
No.
Wow.
I had a disposable razor.
Same.
I remember it was pink in color. And I didn't know how to shave, so obviously cut myself the first few times. But then when I was finally like, okay, you know, shaving does the same thing as waxing, but without the pain, I was like, holy shit, why did nobody tell me this? Dude, it also comes with like a handy soap thing. So basically,
yeah?
you don't have to use any of that shaving cream. You can completely skip that step and just be like smooth like a dolphin.
Nice.
That's nice.
I really appreciate
मेरे को तो घर पे
Venus.
नहीं अलाउड था बिकॉज लाइक अभी तो वैक्सिंग ही अलाउड नहीं है. और मेरी मम्मी ने भी जस्ट लाइक द पार्लर दीदी बोल रखा था कि भाई रेजर तो कभी नहीं मारना चाहिए क्योंकि उससे ग्रोथ बहुत हार्ड हो जाती है.
That's such a myth,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
क्योंकि
तो मैंने घर से ऐसे छुप के लिया रेजर, मतलब मैं ऐसे छुपा के लेके आई और फिर मैं लड़कों वाला ले आई क्योंकि मुझे पता नहीं था लड़कियों के लिए अलग आता है।
Yeah.
और फिर उसके बाद जब मैंने पहली बार किया एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स ऑल योर हेयर कम्स टुगेदर, तो मेरे को लगा सही में बाल हार्ड हो गए, अब नाउ नथिंग कैन बी डन, दिस इज एन इरिवर्सिबल डैमेज। फिर मैंने वो रेजर फेंक दिया। फिर देन आफ्टर लाइक अ ईयर और 2 तो मेरे को किसी फ्रेंड ने बोला कि भाई लड़कियों का अलग आता है, यूरेका मूवमेंट की, अच्छा तभी। देन आई वेंट अहेड एंड लाइक गॉट वन ऑफ दोस डिस्पोजेबल वंस।
Honestly, life changing. I
Yeah.
mean,
Yeah.
similarly, I don't have to like anticipate the pain already. You know, vaccine से पहले 1 घंटे पहले हम like होने वाला है कुछ.
And I also feel like it's very therapeutic. Like, you know, wo wale days where you do like an everything shower.
Yeah.
I think it just makes you feel so good. And I think shaving usually तो मुझ everything shower में कर लेते हो.
Yeah.
हफ्ते 2 हफ्ते में एक बार you're just like, I'm gonna wash my hair. I'm gonna put a face mask on. I'm gonna take a bath. I'm gonna use my loofah.
Yeah.
The best, what's it called?
The shower gel.
Shower gel. And like, and I'm done.
Dude,
It's so good.
it
you
is.
feel
It's
like,
very convenient.
अच्छा लगता है.
And no, like nobody telling you कुछ you know on the side कि ये मत करो वो मत करो. Honestly, when I broke up with my parlor दीदी, मेरे को my only reason was इसको याद नहीं रहता है, इसी ने मेरी पिछली बार eyebrows करी हैं. Like her thing was she became super possessive. She was like, मैंने लास्ट आपकी eyebrows करी थी, उसके बाद अब कहाँ गए? It's like, दीदी मैं नहीं गई कहीं पे भी. But she was like very possessive. तुम कहीं गए हो, पता चल रहा है
देखो,
उसने आपकी-
shape देखो,
उसने
गलत कर
आपकी
दिया
आर्ट
आपकी।
स्टेडी कर दी. And that's when I was like, okay, this is
Yeah,
worse than a boyfriend. ये क्या हो
Toxic
गया?
relationship.
Have you ever gotten a Brazilian wax? Any of you?
Yeah.
Is it the one that you do it there?
Yeah. The bikini
the
wax,
full.
yeah.
Where Brazilian wax is when you go full like no
Everything,
hair, butthole included.
Dude, there's this. Okay, can I tell like a waxing story?
Yeah.
Okay, so I think this was my first time getting like my waxed, and I was like, ठीक है, करते हैं. And I think it was like I had just started to get like a little like, you know, like sexual and stuff. So I was like, okay, शायद अच्छा लगेगा, मुझे नहीं आता. तो उस पूरे फेज में मैंने I went to the, मैं पूरा नहा के गई थी by the way.
So
Because
nice
I was
of
like
you.
कि मतलब मुझे नहीं
Yeah.
पता कि क्या करना चाहिए. Should I be like trimming my pubes before I
मैं
go?
तो गूगल किया था स्टेप्स कि क्या करना चाहिए जाने से पहले.
Wiki
नहीं, मैंने
how?
इतना करा ही नहीं. मैं बस नहाई, क्या करूँ थोड़ा सा करा. And I was like, I think I should let her take the, you know, decision कि कैसे करते हैं. I went there, बहुत दर्द हुआ. उसने बोला
Didn't she like shame you कि थोड़ा तो शेव करके आते हैं, कट करके
No.
आते थोड़ा.
नहीं. उसने मतलब अच्छा था
ग्रोथ
सारा.
बहुत ज्यादा हो रही है.
अरे यहाँ तो होती है. तो मैंने उसे बोला कि उसने बोला कपड़े उतारो, ये सही चीज़. लाइक उधर देखो. मैंने उसने उधर देखा, मैंने उतारा, बोला पैर खोला. लाइक ओके, बहुत अजीब. I'm just like looking ऊपर. I'm like, oh fuck. And then she puts the wax. I'm like shit. And my legs are closing because like it's also awkward.
Yeah.
My legs are closing. She's like, nahi pair khola. I'm like, I can, like, she's in my coochie. And I'm like, bro, don't blow in my coochie. She's doing that.
I'm really sensitive down there.
Dude, it was so, like, उसने पूरा कर दिया. I was like, thank you. Done. बोला, उल्टा मोड़ो.
Oh yeah.
I was like, हैं? पीछे? And then she's like, she put my butt cheeks apart.
Dude.
She shaved my ass. Like,
this is
she
very
waxed my
visual.
asshole.
But it happens. It happens.
Yeah.
Okay, I have a question for you. Since you're on your laser journey, are you going to get your butthole lasered?
It is part of the thing, but you can ask. I didn't really feel the need to.
I just think it comes as like a package.
Yeah,
deal,
yeah,
na,
it
कि आप
does, but
करवा
like-
रहे हो. If your pants are off anyway, just
हाँ,
turn
अब
around.
कर ही दो. Yeah, you're right.
I mean, I used to have this shame of like having a parlor lady being down there and so close, right? Like
Yeah.
they're very close. But then eventually I was like,
If you
it's
can
okay.
read this, getting tattoo idea. If you can read this,
You're too close down there. No, but then also it's on the parlor lady to make you feel comfortable and not make it awkward. So sometimes they start talking to you about random shit.
Yeah, dude.
तो आप
मैं-
खाने में क्या खाते हो? दीदी, please focus.
And you're just trying your best to not cry, dude.
I
It's so
cry. I don't
painful.
try. Do like I was like,
No, I
आंसू बह रहे
have
हैं मेरे।
screamed, I have cried, and I think it's legit. इसमें तो allowed है यार.
हाँ, it's
इसमें
too
शर्म नहीं
painful.
आती रोते हुए।
Yeah.
बिल्कुल भी हाँ.
और वैक्सिंग में भी पहले मेरे को रोना आता था, पर पार्लर दीदी ने बोल बोल के कि आदत हो जाएगी इस वजह से I've stopped making noises, but it fucking hurts.
Yeah.
Like it's, if you get your waxing done for the first time, it fucking hurts.
Yeah. Even I remember ऐसा कभी कभार हो जाता है कि पैर मेरा होता है, मतलब मेरे को नहीं पता ये यूनिवर्सल एक्सपीरियंस है कि नहीं, बट दीदी ने पैर पे वैक्स लगाया और वो ऐसे वो करिए मेरा पैर हिल जाता है. ऐसा होता है क्या?
कहाँ पे कब?
कैसे हिल
Like it
जाता
just
है
like
मतलब
starts
shivers?
like yeah, like
Have
and
you
I'm
ever
like,
had like
why
a
did my body do that?
hair removal gone wrong?
Mm.
Like गर्मा गर्म wax लग गई है.
हाँ.
वो तो फिर निशान पड़ जाता है।
Oh my
जलने
God.
का।
हाँ, armpit, this happened on my armpit that it was बहुत गरम. वो पूरा फिर वो एक पैच हो गया of like red and then it was dark brown. I was like, sis, it's an underarm, don't fuck it up, man. Like
Also
it's
अंडरआर्म में वो
anywhere
3 बार में
sensitive.
करती थी मेरी ना कि आपकी तो ना 3 डायरेक्शन में जा रही है ग्रोथ, तो अब हमें 3 बार करनी पड़ेगी।
Honestly, with a razor, you can just like swipe in every direction. I don't give a fuck, and it never grows back weirdly. Surprisingly, I've never gotten a bal tod with a razor. I think it's the pull of like a waxing strip that causes more of these infections. Plus, it's hot.
Yeah.
Like it's, I don't know. It just doesn't make sense that I'm putting like liquid lava on myself.
हाँ, like I think waxing is also like a trip. You have to make an appointment कि मतलब अच्छा ठीक है मेरे को परसों वैक्स कराना है तो मैं मतलब ऐसे ऐसे करती हूँ.
फिर अपने स्केड्यूल के हिसाब से सोचना पड़ता है कि इस दिन जाना है, इस दिन स्कर्ट पहननी है, इससे एक दिन पहले कराना है, इससे 2 दिन बाद में कराना है।
हाँ, because face पे भी फिर redness हो सकती है after waxing.
हाँ, you need
Oh,
to
do you
give
get your face waxed as well?
you need to give it time.
Of course, my parlor didi recommends I fake wax every.
But how do they wax your face? Like, is the same procedure with those bड़ी strips?
No, they have like a face wax for those reasons.
छोटू
Yeah.
वो होता है.
अच्छा, जो wax को ही खींच के हटा देते हैं वो वाला?
Correct. One of those cold waxes. It's very painful. I mean, मतलब upper lips so it's deadly.
Yeah.
But it's easier for parlor didis to do
कटोरा
that.
वाला पता है
Katora wax? Oh, haven't heard katora
Katora-
wax in so long.
कटोरा वैक्स होते हैं यहाँ पे जितना मुझे पता है.
मैंने कभी बहुत टाइम से कटोरा वैक्स नहीं सुना है. They now they just call it Rika or stripless wax.
Oh, strip
Oh,
wax.
they do it with the fingers, no?
Yeah. Like they just put it on and they
Yeah.
leave it for a while. So there's so many myths attached to shaving. Like the one that you just mentioned कि parlor didis बोलती हैं कि इससे बाल आपके thick आएंगे. But actually the science behind shaving is that you shave only the upper layer. So
Yeah.
थोड़ा वो blunt cut होते हैं. That's why it feels coarser.
Yeah, your hair.
And also they're
it cuts at
growing
an angle.
together when you get like wax done, तो सबकी
Right.
ग्रोथ इधर उधर होती है, तो कोई एक ज्यादा है, कोई when you're like
Yeah.
brushing your hand against the leg, आपको ऐसा नहीं लगता कि बहुत हार्ड है.
Yeah.
और प्लस वो जैसे आपका हेयर का जो एंड है इज प्रॉबली स्मूदर और बीच में से योर हेयर गेट्स अ लिटिल थिकर, तो विद रेजर आप बीच में से सारे काट रहे हो, बीच में से ही आगे बढ़ रहे हैं, बट लाइक विद वैक्सिंग आपने उसे रूट से निकाल दिया तो वो आगे से बढ़ रहे हैं, विच इज सॉफ्टर एंड.
You don't have a tattoo. I see Chavi has
I
multiple
have 5 tattoos.
What?
What are you saying?
Okay, so you like pain. A little part of you.
It's very weird कि वैक्सिंग कराते हो मुझे बहुत ज्यादा दर्द होता है, आईब्रोज
more
कराते
than tattoo
हुए
pain.
या आईब्रोज कराते हुए मुझे बहुत ज्यादा दर्द होता है. Probably the skin is very
It's
sensitive
on
here.
different layers of the skin.
Yeah, and this मतलब इतना नहीं हुआ मुझे कुछ खास, especially because all of these tattoos are not direct हड्डी पे, in the sense that there's a lot of muscle in between. So this is very tolerable pain.
Yeah. I don't like it when like, you know, there's a product and I will straight up tell you, oh, this has a warm and tingly feeling. But तुम्हारा मुंह जल रहा है भाई. ये warm and tingly क्यों बोलते हैं? When it's
What is this
supposed to be-
product that we're talking about?
Okay, I use this lip plumper and उसपे लिखा है disclaimer. You might feel a warm and tingly feeling. But it's not just warm and tingly. It's way more painful. It's the gloss that's painful.
The gloss is painful.
The lip plumping gloss,
wow.
which a lot of people are using these days.
My friend put it on me. It वो क्या होता है ना, अब तुम बहुत स्पाइसी मैगी खा लो तो ऐसे होठ नहीं थोड़े बड़े हो जाते हैं, बस वही चीज है.
That is so
Spicy
wrong,
Maggi.
guys.
So why am I spending money on lip plumper when I can just eat spicy
eat
Maggi?
spicy Maggi.
The 3x Samyang, whatever it's called, those noodles.
Yeah.
How about we give you some pain? Just a little, okay? Don't worry. Don't you worry. But it's time for my favorite segment on this podcast. It's called Truth or Tweeze.
Okay.
Okay.
Can we have the tweezers, please?
Like actual teasers? Why? Didn't sign up for this. This wasn't a part of the brief.
Also a surprise, like your Pala auntie surprised you. Welcome to Tweeze the Truth. I feel so good about this segment. It came right out of this sweet brain. And basically, I will throw some treatments at you that are real or fake. And you have to tell me which one's real, which one's fake. If you get it right, you're safe. But if you get it wrong, I'm sorry, you have to tweeze a hair out live on camera.
Yeah.
So, are you guys ready?
Yes.
No, but yeah.
Show us your tweezers, please. Yeah, like that, like a beauty influencer.
Yeah. Guy, my affiliate code is NehaDoodles30 for a 30% discount on this tweezer.
Neha Plux.
Yeah.
What's your affiliate code, Chavi?
I don't have one. It's fine.
My affiliate
She
code.
bought it out of her hard-earned money.
Wow.
तुम
Life
भी
changing.
Guys,
उससे
मैं
लो.
बचपन में सिर्फ 2 BHK में रहती थी. आज मैं tweezer afford कर पा रही हूँ.
Okay, hopefully you won't have to use it if you're right about these questions.
Where's your tweezers?
Yeah. Why we not questioning you?
The good thing about being the host is that I don't have to subject myself to any of the pain.
Yeah.
Only my guests.
Right, of course.
But then I will feed you afterwards and you will forget about this.
True.
Yes. Let's
Let's
hope.
do it.
It's giving parlor auntie.
Yeah. वो तो आज तक भूल नहीं पाई. ये हम एक पिज्जा खा के भूल जाएंगे.
It's giving toxic podcast host.
Yeah.
करो.
So, ready?
Yes.
Number 1. You have to tell me if this is real or fake.
Okay.
You can raise your hand so I know. दोनों एक साथ मत बोलना, ठीक है?
ठीक.
Okay. There's a treatment that involves using fish eggs to nourish and hydrate the skin luxuriously. Yes.
True. It exists.
I don't know. So I'm gonna go with what she says. It's true.
It is true. You have survived one round. Were you nervous for a second? You were like,
I was like, wait, what? Fish
कहीं
eggs?
tweeze ना करना पड़ जाए.
I thought it would be like more like कि oh इसका पत्ता से होता है type vibe. मछली और अंडे?
मछली के अंडे, caviar.
That's crazy.
It's real. It's called
First,
caviar
when this
facial.
question started, I thought it's going कि वो जो pedicure होता है जिसमें fish आपके dead cells
हाँ.
खा जाती है. मुझे लगा वो होगा.
Next one. A treatment that involves spraying moonlight infused mist for a celestial glow. What do you think? It's very casual.
It's giving, what's her name? Like it's giving Goop. Do you know like Goop ke products?
Gwyneth Paltrow.
Yeah.
I love that gal.
I think it's true.
Okay. And what do you think, Neha?
I think it's fake.
Oh my god, you're so right. I'm so sorry, Chavi.
Thank God. Oh my God.
I have an option for you. Do you want to do it all together or do you want to do it like right now? Or you can do it in the end. You can just participate in the game.
Wow.
For a sec. Okay, so Chavi is one hair out, 0 hair out. And
It would be like more genuine if you do it like right now.
Can you add bits बीच में?
हाँ, कर दूंगी.
हाँ, तो
बाद
कर
में
देना.
निकाल लेना.
अलग-अलग जगह से ऐसे करेंगे. हाँ, ठीक है.
I'll get you a mirror also.
हाँ.
Okay, Chavi, catch up. All right, a treatment.
What do I get for winning though?
Well, we have a special award. It's aloe vera gel on your face. What's that? Lactocalamine that they put after.
Astringent.
Astringent लगाया है मैम, उससे तो थोड़ा जलेगा ही ना मैम. It's not the astringent that's burning. वो अपने मेरे कट मारे हैं ऊपर. Okay, third one. There's a treatment that involves using your own blood, processed and applied for a youthful glow.
True.
True.
That's right. It is real. It's vampire
Ew.
facial. Really painful, but people get
Wow.
it done. So you guys don't have to go through any pain in this round. Moving on. A treatment that involves pouring hot wax over your genitals and ripping hair off using a thin sheet.
Yeah, Brazilian wax.
Yeah.
So you think it's real?
Yeah.
It is real. You're right.
So manipulative, Survi.
I put it right in the middle, so you were confused. I'm like, "Oh."
Yeah. Like it felt like a trick question.
हाँ,
कि अभी
हमने
तो बात कर रहे
30 मिनट बात
थे
करी
30 मिनट्स की कॉन्वर्सेशन किस बारे में थी
You think it's real?
Going great, guys. Going great. You're actually listening now.
Yeah.
Okay. There's a treatment that involves using fine needles to mimic the sensation of plucking feathers that helps stimulate collagen.
Yeah, this is true. This is real.
Yeah.
Say that again.
A treatment that involves using fine needles to mimic the sensation of plucking feathers and it helps stimulate collagen. Tick tick one.
I think it's not real.
Oh my god, yes, it's not real. I'm so sorry, Neha. One.
Yeah.
I'm so sorry.
Let's
Yeah.
go.
It's okay.
Okay. One all. The next one is there's a treatment that involves applying sheets of gold to reduce inflammation and enhance radiance.
Yeah, this must be real. Rich
Yeah.
people do stuff like that.
Agreed. Probably true.
Yeah.
It is real and it's called gold leaf facial. A PB. It's probably very famous in Dubai.
I'm sure.
हाँ.
You guys are so nervous that you're like,
Dude,
अब
I
एक भी नहीं होना
am.
चाहिए.
हाँ.
एक भी बाल नहीं देके जाएंगे यहाँ पे
एक बाल नहीं बाका होगा मेरे गेस्ट का.
Baka.
Baka. This is what they say on phone calls when they're threatening. मेरे बच्चे का एक भी बाल
Yeah,
बाका.
बाल बाका नहीं होना
क्या
चाहिए
होता है? ये नहीं मालूम मेरे को.
मतलब बाल तोड़ नहीं होना चाहिए एक भी
Yeah, you're right.
probably बाल
Can we
बाका.
make this? Can I title this
Trademark it
episode?
as
It's
Baal
giving bal
Baka.
tod. It's giving
you
you. I think it's gonna get like the right amount, right audience. I need that audience.
why do you think that is your audience it's giving बाल तोड़
Okay. Another one for you, Neha.
giving बाल तोड़
There's a treatment that involves letting live bees, madhumakkhiyan, to sting on your face for a natural plumping effect. True or false?
I think this is made up this is fake
How do you make up your mind so fast? That's so crazy because I'm still thinking about like the question.
I think you're
I
still
think
thinking
like,
about
thinking like
plucking your
my
hair.
limited knowledge is at very like surface level तो जो ऐसे क्वेश्चन आता है वो surface का knowledge उसको जल्दी से contemplate करके बता देता है हाँ या ना deeper knowledge है ही नहीं ना तो मुझे जाना ही नहीं पड़ता अपने दिमाग के अंदर ज्यादा
I love it. You're so real. What is your answer? Fake?
yeah I think
Did you
that's
say
fake.
fake?
अभी रुक जाओ. सोच रही हूँ. Say that again.
A treatment that involves letting live bees sting on your face for a natural
like
plumping
मधुमक्खी
effect.
काट लेती है ताकि मुंह सूज जाए like technically सूज जाएगा but is it like what they desire or do it out of choice
Oh my god.
could be a rich people thing say yes
Yeah.
No.
You think it's fake?
Yeah.
You're right, my friend. You're so nervous. I have to tell you, you're right. Okay, one all still. Going great. A treatment that involves injecting chemicals into facial muscles, temporarily paralyzing them.
this is real because Botox is also the same
Temporarily paralyzing them
Yeah.
for what?
you can't smile ना
हाँ.
हाँ तो वो पैरालाइज तो हो गया एक तरह से
एक
But
दूसरे
is
की
that
help
the-
कर रहे हो यार तुम.
Ah, no, it exists. Yeah, that's.
You're right. This exists, but no helping each other. Okay, second last. A treatment that involves letting fire ants crawl on your face to remove dead skin.
I
I'm
think
trying to
this
read
is
your face,
I
you
think this
know?
is real
My
I
face is
think I have like
unreadable.
seen this somewhere or read about it somewhere I think this is real
Yeah?
yeah
I don't think it's real.
Fuck yeah, it's not real. I'm so sorry, Neha.
God. Oh
Would you
God.
like some fire
Fire
ants
ants
to
are
crawl up your
painful.
face?
And then how do you manage them? Because I'm thinking that.
And fire
I'm
ants?
sure the technician would be like trained.
वो एक एक करके फायर एंट नहीं रख रहे हैं ब्रो.
खतरों का खिलाड़ी बॉक्स में डाल रहा है
लाइफ
तुम्हारे
बीज
मुंह
वाला भी
को.
मैं यही सोच रही थी कि लाइफ बीज ठीक है वो कर लोगे बट ऐसा
हटाओगे
होता है
कैसे?
यूजुअली कि हाँ और फिर लाइक हाउ डू यू
Yeah.
beekeeping is not
How do you
easy.
remove it? You just ask them to leave. Like, bees,
Bye.
time to leave.
Bye bee.
Bye, bees. Okay, last one. A treatment that involves placing heated cups on your skin to create suction, often leaving circular marks.
This is real.
Yeah, real.
Physiotherapy.
Oh,
Yeah.
that's right. It's real. That brings us to the end of this segment, making Chavi the winner.
Oh, we're not.
But you still have to
we're
tweeze
not.
one hair out, and you have to
Yeah.
tweeze
Yeah.
2 hair out. And in solidarity, I will tweeze 1 hair out from wherever you
Wow.
want me to.
Nice.
Wherever you want.
Yeah,
Wherever?
wherever.
That's
Okay.
very weird.
That's what I like to do for my guests.
Yeah.
Like one
guys-
from like your legs.
Dude, okay, you know what? I'll put it in a bottle for you,
ठीक है.
so you can.
Or like you can preserve
pleasure
it
it.
and pendant बना के दे
Yeah,
सकते
we
छवि
should
को.
put like some frames here, you know,
Which
like plain white background with just like 3 hair.
All my guests.
You.
I
Or
do.
like probably a coffee with Karan where there's a wall of cups. You can invite everybody and be like tweeze one hair and we'll put it here.
That'll be so cool.
It will
मेरे
actually.
मेरे पॉडकास्ट पे लोग आना बंद कर देंगे बट आइडिया अच्छा है. ये यार ये ट्वीज करवाती है.
Yeah, I think it's a good idea.
Yeah.
I'm so glad you girls like this. Okay, are you guys ready for the
Yeah.
tweezing?
Yeah.
Because we need that.
Yes.
Zoom कर लो यार थोड़ा. And she did it. Woo!
See, I did 2 at once, so I'll just do it once.
I
Okay.
need proof. I need proof.
Here.
Show it to the camera.
Here. See, there are 2 hair strands. So मेरा हो गया. हाँ, मेरा हो गया.
एक हल्का सा grimace आया.
जल्दी.
है ना? It's on you.
What if I sue you?
Oh my god.
Surbi.
You know what? I
Surbi.
Sue. Don't sue me, please.
ये करूँ?
Yes.
Okay.
Proof भी दिखाना है.
अरे ठीक है.
देखो तो एक ही करना है.
Okay.
हाँ but वो समझ नहीं आ रहा कि मैं करती
मैं
नहीं
कर
हूँ.
देती हूँ.
Oh हाँ.
करूँ?
हाँ. Go for it.
नहीं आया ही नहीं.
This is your first time tweezing. It's hard.
रुको हो रहा है.
What
कितना
can
cool
you
होगा ना
not
कि तुम भी
do?
करोगी तो.
हाँ.
नहीं वो मैं करूंगी. This one's for solidarity. I'm standing up. Go.
चलो.
Do it. Go.
Okay. Fuck. Okay, this one's huge. Ah. No, my god. Ow. I think I cut myself.
I don't think it's possible to.
Dude. It's really inside of me. You need to help me.
Just pretend that we
यार,
did ना.
हाँ, मैं
जरूरी करने की जरूरत थोड़ी है.
यार पर तुम लोग के लिए कर रही हूँ मैं तो. है क्या वहाँ पे गई मुझे वहाँ पे बस
निकाल दो. Genuine.
हाँ बस लेकिन प्यार से. दीदी.
Okay.
Oh shit!
ये तो मुझे यहाँ तक दर्द महसूस हुआ है.
No, thank you. I really appreciate you helping me. It was actually not that bad. I'm crying, but thank you. Not that bad. Loved it.
आवाज आई.
मुझे यहाँ तक आवाज आई.
There's like something else altogether.
Yeah.
But guys, I hope this was fun. Before
It
we
was.
wrap up, and I let you have some aloe vera gel. Any passing advice for a 16-year-old who feels like her hair is weird, and any advice for that 16-year-old who's going through this body hair drama?
I think my biggest advice is just to not believe what people say, because half of the people are getting treatments and a lot of kids also बताते नहीं है कि ये कर लिया है, and just to have that awareness कि तुमको हटवाने हैं, there are like 10 things that you can do. तुमको नहीं हटवाने तब भी you are you just have to like own it. You just have to be a badass कि भाई नहीं फर्क पड़ रहा है मेरे को इस बात से. And regardless of whether you do remove your hair or not remove your hair, people are still not going to like you. So this will not really influence.
People don't like you anyway.
Yeah, people don't like
Yeah.
people anyway. So people are going to judge you. अगर तुम्हें जैसे क्लास के बच्चे जो तुम्हें पसंद करते हैं, तुम्हारे बाल हटाने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा, और जो नहीं पसंद करते तुम्हारे बाल हटाने से कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ेगा.
They'll find something else to hate on.
Yeah.
कितनी चीजें चेंज कर लोगे.
Just find better friends, I
Yeah.
guess,
Yeah.
who don't, make you feel insecure. What about you, Chavi? Any advice?
I think it would be to just like write it out. You can't force the process to be like faster, or you can't just be like अच्छा अब से आज से मैं ठीक हूँ, ठीक है. तो वो होगा, बुरा लगेगा, लगने दो, but then do realize कि किस बारे में बुरा लग रहा है, and like एक बार सोचो कि मतलब
That's very valid. I think hair removal is a choice, and you can do whatever crazy things you want to do with your hair. You can, do like a landing strip down there. You can have one eyebrow missing. Whatever you do, just remember that this is about your body and your choices. Don't get influenced by what you see on TV. All of these people are filtered, and like they have their face tuned. And Snapchat, I'm sorry, I feel like all of these kids who are on Snapchat, they're growing up with filters, and that's why they feel the need to look exactly like that filter. But it's impossible. Nobody can look like that. I wish I looked like that dog filter, but I can't. So just get used to it, kids. And if you want to remove hair, I say go for Venus. It's super convenient. No appointments, no parlor ka jhanjat. Just simple, smooth skin. And that's it for the Overthink Tank. Thank you so much, Neha Doodles and Chavi Joshi. And my listeners, if you like this podcast, don't forget to share, subscribe, tell the algorithm that you like this podcast.
Yeah.
And I'll see you next time.
Bye.